The spacing before and after your text is called paragraph spacing. We use this for separating paragraphs, headings, subtitles, etc. As you can see here, there's the space highlighted after the text. A lot of the time people will add in manual returns to make this spacing. However, that is really bad for formatting because it can become inconsistent. To add the paragraph spacing, you want to go to Page Layout menu at the top, and then to our paragraph section where it says spacing. Here you can see it says before and after. You can increase this or decrease this to add the spacing before and after the text. As we can see here, if you have your text highlighted, you can see that extra spacing. You can also access this menu by going to Page Layout and then Paragraph, the small arrow in the bottom right hand corner, which brings up your paragraph options. Here where it says indents and spacing, we can see that you have a section called spacing, and again you can adjust your spacing before and after the text. You can preview how the text will look in the preview pane. You can also see here you have your auto options, so this is where Word will automatically adjust this for you. Or you can manually set it to what you want, and when you're finished, press OK. And we can see here that the text has been adjusted. You also want to make sure that you are updating any paragraph styles to ensure that this is consistent throughout your document. So here we can see that it has that extra paragraph space at the bottom of the text.